Hello, my name is Amanda Jo Duzay, and today we are discussing how to use a calendar on OneDrive. The first thing that we're going to do is learn how to add an event to our calendars. So you want to go up to the left-hand corner to the area that says New Event and click on that. Then you're going to want to add your title. So I'm going to add one of my kids' names and that he's going to school. And then you're going to want to come down and put the time in. And he'll be in school until around 1 o'clock, let's say. And then you just save up in the left-hand corner. And there you go, you have your first event. The next thing we're going to do is edit that event. So you're going to want to click on the event, and you're going to click the bottom left corner, Edit. And there you go, your event is pulled up, and you can edit whatever you need. And then you just remember to save, bottom left-hand corner. The next thing I want to show you how to do is show or hide calendars. And that will be over on your left-hand side. And you can see where my little pointer is. So you can add like holidays or birthdays. And then you can click on those things in the same area on the left, and it'll hide them or remove them. And then the next thing we want to do is change the calendar view to monthly, weekly, daily agendas. And so you'll see where I brought my cursor over to where the month is, and it will show you month, day, week, and you just click on whichever view you need. See, now we're at day. Yep, and you can do the split where you can look at the whole thing. Now we're back at month. Okay, the next thing that we want to do is change our calendar settings and colors. That'll be over where the My Calendars is, next to the United States holiday thing. If you click on that little 3 dots, it'll show you how to change the colors. And you can change the settings there. And you can add charms. Okay, the next thing that you're going to want to do is make another calendar for your boss, marked boss's calendar. So we go over to Add Calendar, Create Blank Calendar, and you're going to want to mark it Boss for your boss's calendar, and then you're going to want to save it. And there you go, you've created a calendar for the boss. Next thing we want to do is import or subscribe to a calendar. So you go to Add Calendar, you click on that, and then you go to Subscribe from Web, and then you can click the My Google Calendar, and you type in your website, there you go, and the calendar name. And then you're going to want to hit Import. And there you go, you're done. Next thing you want to learn how to do, or that I'm going to show you how to do, is to share calendars. So you're going to want to go over to the Share button on the right-hand side and click that. And you're going to want to click Calendar. Then you're going to want to enter the email address or contact name that you're trying to send it to. So I'm going to send it to my husband. And then you can... Yep, and there we go. We've sent it. And then the next thing we're going to want to do is import or subscribe to a calendar. Oh, no, wait, sorry. We already did that. We're going to want to add a holiday to the calendar. And that'll be over on the left-hand side where it says like United States and it holidays. So you can add St. Patrick's Day that's coming up on the 17th or anything like that, holidays that you want. You can add them to or take them from your calendar. The next thing you're going to want to do is add a birthday to your calendar. So you go over to birthdays and you click on that, and you could click on the More Options button, and it'll say new birthday if you want to add a new birthday, and you just put in the name you want, and then any information you feel that it needs, and then you're going to want to put in the birth date. Let's see here, April 7th. 1981. There we go, and create. Okay, the next thing we want to do is add some appointments to our boss's calendar. So click on Boss over on the left-hand side, and then you're going to want to show that calendar. There you go. And then we're going to want to add some appointments for him on the daily calendar. So the first one I'm going to add will be 9 a.m. Click on the 9 a.m. and we're going to want to talk to Agnes Smith, so up at the title. And in the description below, we're going to put sales rep for small home appliances. And then I'm going to want it to be a 30-minute meeting. I only expect it to be about 30 minutes. So I'm going to have it set from 9 to 9:30. And then you just go up and you click Save up in the left-hand corner. The next one I'm going to add will be at 10 a.m. And we'll just click another new event. And it's for Pete Rollins. Rollins. And then we're going to want to put in our little notes or description that he is our sales rep for Home Gadget Incorporated. Gadget Incorporated, and we're going to want to meet with him for an hour. And then up at the top, you see how I added 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. We'll save that one. The next one will be 11 a.m. for James Hansen. So we'll set our time, 11 a.m. And then our customer's name is James Hansen. And we're going to go all the way up to lunchtime with James, because we're going to be joining him at lunch. Okay, and James is our manager of Eastern Region of Modern Appliances. Okay. Now, we're going to want to make sure our boss takes lunch. So at noon, we're going to set some time for lunch. And there we go. And we're having lunch with Mr. Hansen. And then remind him that it's a working lunch and save that. And then we're at our last appointment for the day to add, and that'll be Karen Baxter at 3 p.m. So we'll put 3 p.m. Karen Baxter. And she's the assistant VP of Marketing, Western Region, to review marketing plans for fall. Right, and then we will save that. I assume maybe her appointment will go about an hour. All right, and then we've added all of our appointments to our boss's schedule, and we've learned about how to add events and edit events and hide and show calendars and every important subject or subscription that we could add. And that will be all for today.